so today we are looking at another Husqvarna. We've got the YTH2348. This one, as you just saw, has a 23 horsepower Briggs and Stratton V-twin engine. This tractor seems to be really solid. It's got a 48-inch cutting deck. And let's take a look at the model number. It's hydrostatic, by the way. And we're looking right there, a little shadow there. And it looks like it's an 07, so February of 07. I tune this one up for the owner every season. Sharpen the blade, change the oil, do all the stuff. He takes care of it. It's stored indoors. Get a view of the information plate right here. So the blades, oil, the belts, all that stuff. So yeah, that's what it is. It's a very nice machine, like I said. Feels very solid. Thanks for watching.